Let me be brutally honest for a second. The test analyst role is disappearing faster than most people realise. And if you're still doing the same tasks you were doing 3 years ago, you're falling behind and you're soon going to be out of a job. But don't click away, because at the end of this video I'm going to give you the 3 things you must do right now to stay employable. And one warning about the future you'll definitely don't want to miss. Stick around, because the last 10 seconds of this video might save your career. So here's the truth that no one wants to admit. Let's address it head on. Companies are hiring fewer test analysts than ever before. Search on your job board, the title's drying up. But here's the twist. Testing isn't disappearing, the title is. And the change comes with a huge opportunity if you adapt. And I'll show you exactly how. So stay with me. So why are the old test analysts being replaced? There are 3 forces that killed the traditional test analyst. Automation is now expected. It's not a nice to have. Regression, smoke, repetitive flows. Companies want that automated yesterday. Number 2, agile remove the middle layer. Your value can't just be running steps someone else wrote. AI changed the value equation. Don't worry, as I've said before in a previous video, which you can see on this channel, give you all the information about AI and testing, it isn't going to replace testing, but it is replacing the boring, repetitive parts of the job. And if that's your entire role, then I'm sorry, you're in trouble. And as I say in a previous video, I explain exactly how AI is reshaping QA, so stick around, I'll point you to that at the end of this video. So in a couple of minutes, I'm going to give you the exact 3 skills you need to future-proof yourself, so don't miss that part. So what's actually replacing the test analyst? Here's the shift most people miss. The test role isn't dying, it's evolving. Today's companies want quality engineers, SDETs, automation first testers, quality coaches, product quality analysts. These roles are proactive, technical, strategic, and embedded in delivery. This is where the industry is going, and you need to go with it or be left behind. Here's the part you've been waiting for. What 3 things will keep me employable? And honestly, they'll make you stand out in any QA market at the moment in time, so get ahead of the game. Move 1. Become a thinker, not just an executor. Anyone can click buttons. Automation can do that. AI can run scripts. But can you analyze risk? Can you challenge requirements? Ask the question no one else sees. That's what companies are paying for at the moment in time. And it's really a skill you need to have now. The button clicking, you'll be replaced. So I'd say the move 2 is learn automation concepts, not just tools. So tools change every year. Playwright, Cypress, Selenium. I've seen them all come and I've seen a lot of them go. So what's next? But what's core automation thinking? Frameworks, assertions, pipelines, maintainability. That's forever. If you're going to learn automation, learn that first. Don't learn a tool, don't learn a language, learn the fundamentals. And again, we've got a video on that as well on this channel around what the fundamentals of automation are. Move 3, become the quality voice in the room. The old test analyst waited for the work. The modern QA analyst leads the conversation. They shape stories, raise tickets early, and influence the direction of the product. This is the difference between being replaced and being promoted. But before we wrap up, here's the part I promised. There's one more shift coming to QA, and that could completely change how teams test by 2026. I can't fit that into this video, so as soon as you're finished here, go and watch my video, AI in Testing in 2026, and the 5 changes that will shock you. Because if you want to know what's replacing 30% of the traditional QA work, that's the video you need to see next. So yes, the test analyst role is disappearing, but if you evolve, you'll be more valuable than ever. So let me know in the comments what your thoughts are about the future of the industry. Do you think the test analyst role is dying, or is it just changing its name? And now, click the video on your screen, this one about AI in testing, and I'll show you the future of QA before it arrives. Till next time, test smarter, grow faster.